Now let's make the connections on the board. So first we will interface this DHT sensor with the Arduino Uno. So just place it like this, and now I'm going to make connections between the DHT sensor and the Arduino pins. So let's connect it. So just a basic connection, you can place it here. So just connect the ground pin of the DHT sensor to the ground of the Arduino pin, and this is the ground pin of the Arduino, and this is the 5-volt pin. So I'm going to connect it to the V in, as the DHT sensor uses the V in the input voltage, so it's better to connect it. Let me do this. Your connection should be tight, otherwise it will not work anymore. And as a digital input or as a signal, to give the signal, I am using the digital pin number 8 of the Arduino. And now our DST is connected to the Arduino, as you can see that. And now we will interface our LCD to the Arduino. Let's make this connections out. So just connect your 4 pins there, like first these are, I'm using the female to male wire, you can see it clearly. So first let me connect the all 4 wires to its pin, the VCC, ground, and the serial data pin, and the last one serial clock pin. Now I'm going to connect these pins to the Arduino board. Now connect the ground pin of the Arduino to the ground, and now I'm going to connect this PCC pin to plus 5 volt. You can see that this is the 5 volt, and now I'm going to connect the serial data pin to the analog pin of the Arduino, that is A4. This is connected to A4, and last but not the least, the serial clock pin is going to be connected to pin number A5, that is the analog input of from the Arduino. So it's just a basic connection, you can make it easily. So now our connection is completed. We will go to the output part, and we'll be doing some coding.